Okay guys, I'm here to show you my lock picks. Have this one. Here are my tension wrenches. I have my one that is cheap. I made it out of a hanger and I used a grinder to grind it down and then a torch to fix it to where I needed it. Made this one. I made this one too. They can, all of them do this except the one made out of the clothes hanger. I don't know guys, I haven't been able to pick this lock for a long time. So anybody that knows how, just let me know. I don't really have much else to say. Oh, instead of having just a solderer, which is this, now I have a hot glue gun too. So, I'm getting my business up and going. I haven't told y'all about my business yet. eBay. Right now, all I got is 2 games on there from the Xbox 360, but I'm gonna start selling the stuff I make on there. I don't really have much made yet, but I will have. But I don't have much else to say, guys. This block I was telling y'all about that I needed help with, it does work. I can assure you that. It does work. I'm just having difficulties with the pins. They're being assholes. Or that's what I try to tell myself. So if y'all have any tips or things that could possibly help me out here. I did make these homemade. You can see little grooves from a saw blade. Because they're way too expensive on the internet when you just make your own. Not worth your time. Plus it takes them like a week to get them to you, dude. You just walk out in your back garage if you have a grinder and grind you some picks up, man. See, it hasn't even budged. Or I'll hold on this side of it. But yeah, see, it hasn't even budged. You can see the pins in there. They're just being assholes. Anyways, if you have any information. Oh, and the fan motor. Here it is. I unsoldered the wires from that and that. So, if y'all have any information that might be able to help me out, just let me know.